Hi! In front of me is Realme GT, now 3D, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock on this Realme. Firstly, open settings and scroll down. Now choose password and security. After that, click on face section over here and enter your current login method. Now choose continue and keep your face in frame. Remember to follow all of the instructions presented on your screen. From here, you can switch off or on Raise to Wake feature by clicking on this sweater. Then click on Done. Now adjust all of those options however you wish though. And as you can see, when I switch off my screen, then switch it back on, Face Unlock is now working properly. If you want to disable face data, click on Face, enter your screen lock and delete it by choosing this icon, the green one next to face data. You can also just switch it off by clicking on this icon next to screen unlock. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!